Tasker versus Automate versus MacroDroid. Which one's the best? Let's find out. Tasker is a powerhouse for advanced users who want complete control. It lets you build complex automations triggered by conditions like time location or device state. The plugin support in scripting is nearly limitless. The downside, it has a steeper learning curve and can feel overwhelming for beginners. On the other hand, Automate uses a unique flowchart-based design, letting you create automations visually by connecting blocks. This makes it easier to understand how tasks run step by step, even for more complex workflow. It strikes a balance between flexibility and usability, though it's still less beginner-friendly than simpler apps. Lastly, MacroDroid focuses on simplicity with its trigger action constraint system. It's great for everyday automations like toggling Wi-Fi, sending auto-replies, or sending reminders. While it's easy to learn, it offers less depth compared to Tasker or Automate for power users who want advanced customization. Now let's compare them side by side. Tasker is the most powerful but hardest to learn. Automate sits in the middle with a visual approach that balances complexity and usability. MacroDroid is the easiest to use but the least customizable. Your choice depends on whether you value power, balance, or simplicity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time.